Let's take a look at saving a show on a QuickQ console. I'm going to go to the Files menu. I'm then going to select Save Show As, because I'm going to add a number after the existing name to differentiate it from my previous show. Now my show is saved on the console. Let's look at saving a show to an external USB stick on a QuickQ console. I'm going to go to the Files menu, select Save Show As. I'm going to select my USB stick, which isn't named, and then I'm going to add a second number or a third number to differentiate it, and then select Save. My show is saved and I'm ready to go on. We're going to look at loading a show file from a USB stick on a QuickQ console. I'm going to select the Files menu. I'm going to select Load Show. My USB stick is already in the console. It isn't named. And then I'm going to select my show and open it and confirm. And now I have my show loaded in the console.